you want to treat. If you want to start, it's very important to use this one. Could you, want to, Federica, you say?
First of all, Dr. Bonan has already put a square of 15 by 15 centimeters. It's very important to deliver the energy in this square in order not to lose the energy everywhere. So we select the right parameters. So we need to deliver 60,000 joule with 120 watt. We will take about 8 minutes. We have already rubbed some Vaseline oil, that is the only consumable for Onda treatments. And then we are ready to start, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to explain the two buttons here?
Yeah, now we press the red button on the top of the handpiece. Now press again. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now we are ready.
Yes.
There
is a red button on the top of the handpiece. We have to press it.
Sorry, just a little bit closer the machine because it's too far. 1 second. Okay.
Both handpieces are equipped with this light. So the light, if the light is red, it means good contact. We are well delivering the energy. If the light becomes red, it means no contact, so we need to fix our position. We normally perform with a linear movement in order to better cool down the skin, because if we perform in circular movement, we are going to concentrate the heat in the middle, and the patient could feel too much hot. Normally, our patient feel cold during the first 2 minutes, and then they start to feel a warm sensation, but very comfortable and painless procedure.
Is it painful? Okay. In this case, we don't have any important localized fat, but we have the displacement of the fat due to the previous trauma that has been, how many years ago? Okay, 20 years ago, so we have a sort of displacement of the fat. We try to treat even this part, but of course, as you can see in this model, we don't have any important localized fat. We have a minimal cellulite.
I think it's very interesting, even this aspect, because we can extend this kind of procedure even for this patient, very lean patient, very thin girls that want to reach a perfect result.
Okay. Patient is not complaining about the painful sensation.
Okay, we normally perform even a slight massage with the other hand in order to distract the fibrous receptor, the sensorial receptor, sorry, to help the patient to tolerate more. Okay, so before the treatment, it's very easy. We normally have some energy at the end of the session in order to be more effective. Are you comfortable, doctor?
Not for me.
No, not for you.
Because it's too low, the bed, so I'm obliged just to curve my back. But in any case, for the patient, I guess that she doesn't feel anything, if she can confirm. Okay, we are quite finished?
Yes.
So Federica, say when you think that we can stop.
Yes, I think you can stop, just to show them the movement.
Okay, well, what is important is to establish the selection criteria for treating by using this kind of system. In this case, we have just some localized fat in some areas. I think after this treatment, we can get a sort of uniform surface due to the displacement, new displacement of the fat the absorption of the fat, the destruction of the fat. There is just a modest, we don't see maybe in the screen, in the room, but we have a very, very modest cellulitis. But after the treatment, we can have a very flat and soft area. We need a massage just to create the opportune processes going on.
In particular, we suggest a massage the following day, twice a week, just to help the lymphatic system to remove all the scraps. This is very important, even to wait at least 30-40 days between one session and another. Okay.
Well, Federica, I'll be back so we can just... okay, thank you.